I'll be good. I'm on the pursuit. Volume, definition, and moisture. If you are on that same pursuit, then keep watching to see my how-to styling my naturally curly hair routine for 3B curls and find out the methods and process that I use that could possibly give you the same results. What's good, y'all? Welcome to my channel. It is your girl, Sonia. I'm finally doing this. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I am a personal trainer, a nutrition specialist, Latin dancer, world traveler, and of course, a curly hair girl. I started my healthy hair journey about 4 years ago, and I went from having a cluster of curls, point in case, to happy and healthy, luscious curls. I've been getting a lot of people asking me, what products do you use? What products do you use? And what products do you use? So I figured I would record a video and show you guys. Be sure to like and subscribe and keep on watching. All right, welcome to my shower. We in here. It is time to tame the beast. Let's go. So due to coronavirus and unlimited supplies that I'm on right now, waiting for new ones to come, I am using my old Shea Moisture Coconut Hibiscus Curl and Shine Shampoo. And this is being thoroughly massaged through my scalp, making sure I get every crevice in there. And then I actually just rinse it through the rest of my hair. So for conditioner, I am using tgin Miracle Repair. This thing gives me moisture like no other, y'all. So I rake this starting from the bottom towards the top mid part, and then I'll flip my head over and comb it through. I then use this comb, my shower comb. The handle broke once upon a time because these tangles are real. And I rake the conditioner all the way through, and then I make sure I twist it and put it high on top of my head in this fancy little bun. Hey, oh hey girl, what's good? And then, of course, having to deal with shedding. We all know this is real if you are a curly hair girl. Act like you don't do this too. I'm going to show y'all what I do afterwards, though. But I'll proceed to wash the rest of my body and then rinse the conditioner out of my hair. And I will dry it with a microfiber towel, reduces friction and breakage and frizz. So flip that bad boy over, squeeze out any excess water, and wrap that bad boy up. And make sure it's nice and secured on top of my head. And then before we go, we gotta clean up this nasty little mess. And voila. Time to style and define. I'm only in the living room right now because of the lighting. It is on point. But after I take that towel off my head, I make sure that my hair is still saturated with water. I use this water bottle spray that I bought off of Amazon. It is dope because it evenly distributes the water. I use a Denman brush to detangle and brush out my hair. This is the only time other than in the shower when I actually brush my hair. Because if you've seen somebody try to brush out curly hair, you know that that is not a pretty sight. So I have been using tgin green tea leave-in conditioner for the longest time, and y'all, oh my God, it smells so good. And to be honest, this is the only thing I usually style my hair with. Depending on the weather, I might use like a gel. In this video, I am going to show you the gel that I use. But I make sure, again, I start from the bottom and rake my way through the mid shafts up to the top. I'll brush it to make sure it is evenly distributed. And then I flip my head over and start the scrunching process. And I make sure that I turn my head in all directions so the hair does not lay flat and get stuck to my head. So this is where all the fun part comes in with the scrunch, 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 flip, flip, flip. Using the towel to get out any excess water here. So for today, I'm using Cantu Define and Shine Custard. It is a gel. I typically only use the leave-in conditioner, but depending on the day, event, weather, I might go for some extra hold. And I only use this on the out part of the hair, so I do not rake it through. It's more so just for that hold. The last bit here is just finishing off scrunching with that microfiber towel. Again, flipping my head in all directions to make sure that the hair does not lay flat on one particular side. Time to dry and chill with this Conair hair dryer. It is nothing fancy, y'all. I've had it for years. So I start with the outskirts of my hair, just making sure to facilitate that drying process before I actually go into the hair, starting from the bottom and scrunching it all the way to the top. This gets to be quite tedious after a while, and so I get bored and ponder about life. But then I remember to put on some music and dance my life away because music is my religion. And then we make sure, again, to do a couple hair flips here so the hair does not sit in one direction. Fluff and puff with some Argan oil. I'm using Shea Moisture, so I make sure this is evenly on my hand to separate any big chunky curls and also to break the cast from the gel, give more volume, all that fun stuff. So I'm slowly separating, and then as always, I'll flip my head upside down and more scrunching because scrunch gives volume, and the bigger the hair, the better. So flipping it in all directions, scrunch, scrunch, scrunch. And we keep scrunching, y'all, until we are satisfied. Couple more head whips, and there we go. Bam! The final magic tool here to get these curls popping. Flip your head over and fluff, fluff, fluff at the roots in all directions. And this is that final touch you need to get that va-va-voom. Come on, curls. Yes. Final bit here with the last finishing touches, showing you the back of my head. And this, y'all, is the curly hair routine to give me these curls. So now you know a possible method and the process to get you that voluminous, well-defined, and moisturized curly hair you've long desired for. But what about the steps you need to get to actually get to these results? So I'll be telling you the steps I personally did to trek through that journey to get to healthy hair. Check out the next video to know the steps I did that could possibly help you on your healthy hair journey. Also, if you want more tips on health, fitness, and lifestyle, be sure to follow me on Instagram at Sonia L. Robinson. To like and subscribe so you are in the know, and share with any other curly hair queens. Love y'all. Be great.